Everyone, I'm Heba and welcome back. Got another unboxing for you guys, and this time it's by Lookfantastic. It's their beauty box for the month of June. It's a really pretty box this time. It's got the map of the world on top. It's really pretty. I like that. So I'm sensing it's a world international theme, I guess you could say. Lookfantastic, it is based out of England, so it does take at least 2 weeks for items to be shipped here in the States. Beauty box is included because they ship it out in the first couple of days of the month. And yeah, I don't get it until 14 days, 15 days later. I know I see Zazzle's behind me. Isn't she cute? She's getting all comfy there. But anywho, let me let you know about the pricing of this one. You get, there are 4 tiers with this subscription box. You can get a 1 month, 3 month, 6 month, or 12 month subscription, and I got the 12 month. For a monthly recurring payment, it's $19. For 3 months, it's 3 monthly payments of $18 each month. 6 months, it's $17 a month for 6 months. And the 12 months, it's $16. So you do get a price break when you get more months in the subscription. And items in here are 6 beauty products worth approximately $65 or more in here. This is nice because I'm finding brands that are based out of England that we don't have here and that are really nice, like my Mellow Cosmetics eyeliner pen. It was here and I love that. I love that. All right, let's go ahead and open this box. Real pretty box. I like that world motif in here, so I'm hinting it's the theme. And when you open it up, it has a little booklet of what's in here, and let's see what this month's theme is. But first, let me see the back. The back of this pamphlet, it gives you a sneak peek of what's going to be in next month. And it looks like an Elemis product. It's the Hydra Balance Day Cream, and it's worth 19 British pounds. So this will be one of the products in next month. This one is called Around the World, hence the world lid. Forgot to show you inside the lid. It says, travel makes us all storytellers. That is so true, especially with travel vlogging. And we love to travel. So this one is to celebrate the region that you call home. We're celebrating the diversity and scope of beauty. In this month's box, we're introducing you to some of the world's best beauty products and allowing you to discover something that you may not have tried before. So that is one of the good things about subscription boxes, because you do get products that you haven't tried before, or some of the products that you haven't tried before. And also in here, you get a copy of Elle magazine. Pretty much don't read it, so this will go in a doctor's office or the recycling bin. And here's what the inside looks like, real pretty bright yellow. Let's go ahead and see what's in here. Oh, it smells nice. And there is the beauty box, the products that are in here. All right, let's get this big, nice bar of soap by Korres. And it is a bar soap, softening soap, and it has chamomile in here. Oh, that smells good. And I believe this is from Greece because I can see some Greek writing on it. Let's read what it says. Formulated with natural ingredients, elevate your daily cleansing routine with this multi-use soap. All right, oh, this is really nice. All right, next we have something from Bumble & Bumble, Thickening Go Big Treatment Spray. And this box, I did get this one. In other boxes, there could be a surf spray, but the one I got is the thickening spray. And let's see what it says here. It's improving strength and texture. This conditioning treatment helps create a healthy, soft, and volumized head of hair. Love anything that will give my hair volume. Yes, I do. All right, next is a peeling mask, and it is by E-Cooking. This little jar of it, let me see here. Yes, it's by E-Cooking. Maintain skin's youthful appearance with this peeling mask from Danish skincare brand E-Cooking. Okay, so this is from Denmark. Utilizing AHAs, including lactic, salicylic, and glycolic acid, this mask buffs away dead skin cells to reveal a radiant and glowing complexion. This is 100% vegan. It also delivers results in under 10 minutes. All right. Comes in a white lotion here. Don't smell anything, but I love those AHAs and lactic acid, salicylic acid. It's great for my acne-prone skin. So that's nice from Denmark. Okay, a couple more products here. This is a sample size of Filorga, the Lift Structure. And this one is formulated with active ingredients to deliver visible effects. Collagen and hyaluronic acid, great, which work together to visibly reduce signs of aging. Created by a leading French dermatology clinic, Filorga is focused on creating skincare solutions directly inspired by non-surgical anti-aging procedures. Okay. I have another product by Filorga. It was in the Glow Beauty Bag by Beauty Expert. That one's nice too, so that I can't wait to try another product from them. Even though it is a small sample size, but it's nice to try new products that I haven't tried before. And this one is a really small sample size product. Let me see what this one is. I may have to look at the pamphlet, because I don't think I can see what's here. Okay, this one's called BioEffect EGF Serum. Give skin a new lease of life with a serum from groundbreaking Icelandic brand BioEffect. It says here this product is worth $25. This little product is worth $25? Wow. Using a plant-based replica of EGF, which is a naturally occurring human protein, this serum acts as an anti-aging treatment by reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while boosting radiance. Okay, this is quick absorbing. This serum deeply moisturizes and rehydrates. 100% vegan, this mask delivers results in under 10 minutes too. Now, I don't know if it's this product, this size right here is worth $25 or if it's a full size. Let me go over each product to let you know about the price. But I think, yeah, there's one more here. It's by SVR. And this is a hyaluronic acid with omega-3, 6, and 9. Oh, this is an eyelid cream by SVR. Okay. Calm and soothe sensitive and itchy eyes with this gentle treatment for dry and easily irritated skin. With clinically proven effectiveness, this French eye cream delivers 24-hour hydration, immediately relieving any discomfort. And let me let you know about the prices here, because I'm noticing that there are prices with these products. This one cost 15 British pounds, the SVR. The mask cost 11 British pounds. I believe it's this size. And the BioEffect serum, where'd it go? This one's pricey. This little bitty bottle costs 25 English pounds. Wow, this better reduce the fine lines and wrinkles, man. This little bottle, $25 British pounds. Now this one here is worth $2.40 in British pounds. I believe that's how you say it. And the bar of soap is worth 5 British pounds. And the Filorga is worth, wow, that's really small. Wow, this Filorga, where'd it go? $9.10 in British pounds. So it's 9 British pounds, 10 cents. Is that how you say it? Oh, wow. Okay. All right. We have some great products from around the world. We have a couple of French products here. We have something from Greece and something from Denmark. That's kind of nice. I like this box. I really do like this box. Well, all right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing by Lookfantastic, the Around the World box. This is really nice. I can't wait to try this 25 British pound serum here. And I think when you convert it to US dollars, I think it'll be a little bit more. Wow, 25 British pounds for this little serum. Okay, can't wait to try that. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. And you all have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. All right, bye-bye.